Hey everyone, Microsoft has released two emergency out of band updates after the August 2025 patch Tuesday that caused serious problems with Windows recovery feature. KB5066189 for Windows 11 and KB5066188 for Windows 10. These patches restore the Reset This PC and related recovery tool that broke after the August updates. After installing KB5063878 on Windows 11 or KB5063709 on Windows 10, many users discovered that Reset This PC fixed the problem using Windows Update and even RemoteWipe CSP stopped working. Microsoft confirmed this issue on the Windows Release Health dashboard for both Windows 10 and 11. To address this, Microsoft pushed out two separate emergency updates for Windows 11 and Windows 10 variants. Both updates are designed to restore reset and recovery functionality. It is important to note that these emergency patches only fixes the reset and recovery bug. Other major issues from August updates remains unresolved, including OBS NDI streaming lag and SSD corruption and disappearing drives. Microsoft says that those issues are still under investigation. If you are on Windows 11, just install KB5066189. And for Windows 10, just install KB5066188. This will resolve your reset and recovery tools. I will keep you updated when Microsoft releases them. So that's it about today's quick video. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.